Welcome to Multithreading and IPC with Qt C ++. Qt is a cross-platform application development framework. You can use it to develop applications for Windows, Mac, Linux, mobile, and embedded devices. This course will enable you to take advantage of the multithreading and interprocess communication features offered by the Qt framework using the C++ programming language. You will learn and master different ways you can create and manage threads, give them work they can do in the background, and let them report back to you when they are done with the results. The course won't just show you how to create threads and use them to improve the design of your application. You will also understand why each technique works and the common pitfalls one comes across when using threads and interprocess communication in their C++ applications. The lectures are carefully designed and backed by engaging demos for you to try out the concepts on your own right away. If you are looking to use multi-threading and interprocess communication in your Qt C++ applications, this course will get you up and running in the shortest amount of time possible. Let's take a closer look at what is covered in the course. We will start by looking at how we can create and manage threads using the QThread class, which is a really low-level way of doing things, but it is going to make things flexible for us. We're going to see how we can use QThread create, move to thread, and subclass QThread, and we're going to see how you can run code asynchronously in a different thread. You're going to learn about thread pools, sending feedback to the user interface from a background thread, and all kinds of crazy things. Next, we're going to look at thread synchronization, and we're going to learn about how we can protect our variables for access by multiple threads. You're going to learn about mutex, read-write locks, semaphores, wait conditions, and you're going to see how you can pause and resume an operation that is running in a background thread. We will move on and learn about thread safety and reentrancy. We are going to learn about Qt Concurrent, which is a high-level API to do threading in your Qt applications. You're going to see how you can use the run method to run a function in a background thread. You can do things synchronously or asynchronously using signals and slots. We're going to learn about a lot. We will move on and see how you can create and manage other processes from your Qt applications. And after that, we will learn about interprocess communication and see how we can communicate between different processes on our system. We will see how we can do that using shared memory, TCP, files on the file system, and we will wrap up the course by looking at dbus, which is a Linux-only technology that allows you to communicate between processes on your system, but it is really cool. You can use signals and slots across processes. You're going to see how cool it is. Qt is the platform of choice for thousands of software projects, both open source and commercial, including the one I'm using to record this video right now. If you want to use threads and interprocess communication mechanisms in your cross-platform applications, Qt is going to make your life a whole lot easier. Please check out some of the preview videos and let's get you started using threads and interprocess communication in your Qt C++ cross-platform applications.